Hey guys, how you doing today? I got a couple of, well, I got four. I bought a few trees. You guys can see these two. And then these are the three eastern white pines that I got from a lady on eBay. They're just little babies. I'll have to baby them for quite some time before I get them planted out, but that's fine with me. I don't care about that. Trees are so damn expensive. It is ridiculous what you have to pay to get a tree. But anyways, she is, let's see here, I think, I got it on eBay, and it is Scenic Hill Farms. I'll put the link up on my video if you guys are interested in checking her out. She's got a lot of nice stuff. I'm really happy with the way everything came. So, but what I did was I went ahead and I potted these two up, and I got them watered in because they were kind of dry. Even though she did have some of that moisture gel in with them, so that was really great. I'm going to go ahead and pot this one up, and then I also got a golden chain tree. She's over 2 feet long, but if you can see, she's already got little buds on her. And I'll put a picture up of what the golden chain tree looks like. If I can speak, I'll do it. But anyways, at first I wasn't going to videotape my trees, and then I thought, well, yeah, trees are all a part of my garden channel, so they go with my garden. So I'm going to go ahead and pot up this third white pine. And then what I've been doing is get my soil in there, packing it down just a little bit, and then I'm putting in my garden fertilizer, giving her a little bit of fertilizer. You can see how dry, but they've got really good roots on it. There's all kinds of new roots coming out. And I'm not going to worry about trying to separate the roots and all that stuff. They will all take off and do just fine. Sometimes you do more damage separating roots than you do not. You're better off to just leave roots alone. They will find their way. And I'm putting these guys in gallon containers, and probably by fall, if I don't feel like they're big enough to put out by early fall into the ground, we'll just have to see how it goes. I will bump them up next spring into a 2-gallon or maybe even a 3-gallon container. Because any kind of trees or anything like that you buy, you have to give them plenty of room. But as you've seen her root ball, and she will have plenty of room to grow into this pot. You just have to kind of see how it goes. Now I'm going to water her in. I've already watered in the other two because they were thirsty. You can see I've got really nice fast draining soil in here. Whoops, and I just made a mess, like always. Gonna top these two off just a little bit with some more soil. And I'm just using my regular potting soil that I use for all of my house plants. And then when these do go out into the landscape, this fresh potting soil will go right in the hole with them. These trees get really big. I'll never live long enough to see their full how big they get. But that's okay. I love these. Okay, now I'm going to plant my golden chain. I've got another bucket over here for her. Okay, I had to get more soil again. So I got this pot built up. I'm going to plant my golden chain tree now. I'm putting a little bit of fertilizer in here. Now you can also, when you get new trees, especially when they're coming bare root like this, you can also soak these for a little bit, just like put the tips in a bowl of water or a bucket of water or something. But being as I was going to plant them up right away and water them, I didn't do that. So, alright, I'm really trying hard not to break any of my buds here. Oh, come on. I thought I got this plastic taken off good. Now this tree feels like it's nice and wet still, so. Oh, she's got that gel stuff. See the gel stuff? Here, I'll show it to you in here. Taking that off. I don't really want that stuff in my pots. Personally, I don't. But yeah, when you get small seedling or plantlings like this, you can soak them. Oh wow, I'm very happy with the seller. She's got, getting some more of that gel off. She's got really nice roots too. So all I'm going to do is, oh no, she's hooked up with my string of hearts. Oy! Made it just a little too high. There we go. Now I'm just going to break the top. Just loosen it. Just sticking my fingers in enough to there. Now these will all be going out for now on my back porch. And then later will get moved outside. I mean, even though these are trees, you know, I mean, I'm assuming even though these guys, well, these did come from Florida though, so I'll keep them protected. I'm just packing my soil down because I don't want a bunch of my soil to go down. And you want your plant to feel sturdy. So they like to feel safe and not all floppy all over. But this one's got really nice buds on it. It would totally be great if I could see some of the flowers on it. If I put the picture up by now, you guys seen how beautiful this tree is. Give her a nice drink. I just made a tag. What I do with it? Oh, here it is. Get my tag in there so don't forget. But yeah, being it's cold still here, or chilly, it's not super cold here. But you know, these will go right out. All these will go out on my back porch. And they're going to be in really nice light, so they will be just fine there for now. And then later I'll move them outside, either into my greenhouse or out into one of my garden beds somewhere, and just let them sit and grow and enjoy the summer until I feel like this one is getting, we have our old apple tree out front that died. We still have to cut it down, but this one is going to be replacing that tree. Of course, I won't plant her right where that tree was, but she'll be going close to the vicinity of where our old apple tree was, and I think this would be absolutely gorgeous out front. And I can't wait someday to see her blooms. It kind of reminds me of a wisteria. It's absolutely gorgeous. So, alright guys, I think that is it. You just want to keep them in bright light, keep them watered, keep them fed, and that's all there is to it. It's not hard to buy, you know, trees online. I'm very happy with these. Now there is a little bit of yellowing, but you gotta figure they went through winter. You know, it's not that big of a deal. So they will straighten up. So I'm very excited about all these trees, and I can't wait until they get some more growth on them and I can get them planted outside where we want to put them. So, alright guys, I just thought you guys might be interested in that. But you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Peace.